everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let me brief you a little bit about myself. I am a self-taught artist and also an art educator, and I have been practicing art from 3 to 4 years now. And today what we are going to talk about is wall painting. So today what we are going to do is I am going to show you a tutorial of a wall painting I did on my desk wall, a simple tutorial, and it's not very long also. But before that, let's get to the material and understand what exactly you guys need to start with, because obviously you're not going to straight away start to the wall. You need to understand the material first. So here I have stainers with me. So sorry for the mess, these are very in a mess state, so sorry for that. Let's talk about what exactly are stainers. So stainers are those which you need to basically use them for wall. We use it, these are colors for wall, you can say. And there is one thing called emulsion. So emulsion is used with stainers so that it sticks to the wall, and whenever there is some raindrop or something, it doesn't, the wall doesn't get, I should say, it doesn't become a mess or dirty or something like that. It doesn't get washed away. So, but right now, if you are new, if you are a beginner and you are starting at home, if you are going to do some commercial work or somewhere in a group or something, they will guide you. Then there is no issue. But if you are new and you want to start wall painting, a mural painting at your home, so what you need is stainer. So let's talk about India. So in India, we have this universal stainer which I use, Unitint. So these are very helpful for you if you take them. Okay, so I have some basic shades. This violet is useless, I don't know why I bought it. So you need blue, black, yellow, red. Red one, see, the label is off. Okay, so there is one more company, Dulux stainer, but personally I would recommend Universal because that is better, and Dulux is not very good as what I have observed. Otherwise they're almost like same. And whenever you are starting, okay, so for white you can take, there is no white in stainer. So either you can take emulsion from the paint shop, or you can take acrylic. Normal acrylic will be fine for your wall. And rest, what I use is, I use cups. So I use different kind, like these size normal coffee mugs, and for each color I want to mix or paint or do some color. So what I do is, I have black in it, so I don't directly, if we open the stainers, if I open the stainer for now, like if I open the blue one, see, so we can directly dip the brush and get it done. No, you need to put them into glasses, and you need to do that way. So because I do commercial also, I do professionally also, so I know all these things are very important. See, my hands are messed up. So this is very important thing, that you have at least 10 cups, minimum 10 cups I would recommend, because you need to mix also certain things. So, and one more thing, which is a chalk. So this is a soft pastel color thing which I used to draw. First, like I should have told you this first. So this is very important, you need this thing first to draw something on the wall, because if you draw it, like I'll show you. So let me zoom in a little bit. So if I draw like something, you can see or not, I don't think. Where exactly is, yeah, there is this thing. So if I do it like this way, and if I just rub it off, so it will rub. So if you do any mistake while drawing, let me show you somewhere else. This is not really coming. So just see, Do you see the color? So now if I rub it off, so it will be almost like you need to put some pressure and it will be gone. So this is what it is about, and let's start straight away the tutorial. Let's get to the tutorial and you just see, follow the steps what I am doing, and we'll just and you can go to your playback settings and make it a little slow, and we'll just start with it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you understood what I was trying to say about materials or the tutorial, if you understood something, so I would request you to please like, subscribe and share, so that I can get more reach and I can make more videos for you guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here as you can see that I have already drawn it with that chalk that I told you. Soft pastel you can take, or any normal chalk you can take. So the color that I am made is basically turquoise color, which is a mix of green and blue. Stainers only green and blue. And above I am taking a light green shade and a lemon yellow shade. See, yellow you can take directly, like here I have taken yellow directly. And about light green you can just use a little bit of your green. So the green shade is dark in stainers, green, white and a very little yellow to it. So it will give you the shade that I have just done it here. So for what you have to do is basically paint the basics, like just you just have to fill the colors first. And here see, I have taken green, like directly I have taken that green, and I have made two shades of green. One is light green, green and yellow a little, and one I have taken directly, and I have just blended to give it a really nice look. So that's all, and I would just say that if you just properly observe, so it's not very, like, wall painting is not actually tough. What I've done almost like 10 mural paintings now, and in all I have observed it's actually not tough, and it's more about understanding the color combination and how you are making the texture in wall, how you are doing it. See, here I have taken gray. So for gray, you know how it is made black and white a little bit, so it's same like you do in paper, but the thing is here the texture of the wall matters a lot. If you are doing on a very rough wall, then you have to do it in a different way. If you are doing on a smooth wall, like I am doing on a smooth wall, so then it's easy. But if the wall is rough, so then it becomes a little difficult. Now what I've done is I've taken black and I'm trying to blend it a little bit, and I've taken white. So about blending, I'll tell you something in wall painting, that never blend it too much. It's not a good thing. If you blend it too much, if you put too much pressure on your brush, it you will ruin your painting, I can assure you that. So it would be better if you just do it a little bit of blending. Like if you can see the peak of this what is this, what I'm making, a bird, or if you can see that, so then you'll understand that I haven't really blended much. I have just put it colors and blended a little bit because it is on the wall, and the anyone who will see it from far. No one is going to go very close to the wall, and I'm doing the details now. So about details, I didn't draw it, I just directly paint it, but if you are a beginner, you can obviously first draw it and then paint it. So otherwise you just need to follow the steps and see what I am doing, observe it first, and then you can take any picture from Pinterest or anywhere you can find a simple picture. Please start with something very very simple, because I don't want you to ruin your walls. So it's better if you started with something very simple, and there should be a little bit blending in that picture, so you understand the blending also, so you'll be good with it. So just follow the steps, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'm just going to play some music. So just have fun, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So I'll see you next time. Bye, take care.
photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams, it made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet, I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong, we wanted this to go on, but now it's only a play.